Well friends, here is problem number 71 and here is a given figure and we have to find the mirror image of that figure, and 4 alternatives are given and we have to select one of the correct. In this example, the mirror is placed beside the given image. Okay, the mirror is placed like this and this is the given image, and this contains a curve or right angle triangle and a triangle. Okay, so this is the given figure. Now you should find the mirror image of this figure. In the previous example, we have seen the mirror, it is placed at the bottom like this. Okay, and I said the important point there, yes, top portion becomes bottom portion and bottom portion becomes top portion in the mirror image when the mirror is placed at the bottom or it is placed in the top. But in this example, the mirror is not placed here. The mirror is not placed here. Okay, rather mirror is placed vertically or beside the given image. In this case, the starting portion or starting part will become ending part. Okay, starting portion will become ending portion and the ending portion will become starting portion. So when the mirror is placed beside the given image or given word. So this is important point. When the mirror is placed at the bottom, top portion becomes bottom portion and bottom portion becomes top portion. When the mirror is placed beside the given particular shape or particular word, the starting portion becomes the ending portion and the ending portion becomes starting portion. These are the two important points. Keeping or taking this point, taking this idea, I can eliminate options. As I said, this is the starting portion. In the mirror image, it should become ending portion. The right angle triangle should come at the end and which is not touching to this side, and I'm having a curve, it should come at the end, and I'm having this triangle which is ending portion in the given diagram. Okay, this should become the starting portion. So considering these points, I can eliminate some of the options. If you see first option, the curve remains at the same portion. Okay, this is wrong option. The curve remains at the same portion or at the same place. Okay, this is a wrong option. Now moving to second option. The second option, you can see that the curve remains at the same place. The first portion remains or the starting portion remains the starting portion in the second option. That's also a wrong option. Now moving to third. Yes, the triangle is the ending portion in the given figure and triangle is coming at the starting portion in the mirror image. This is right. And the curve is the starting portion in the given image and it is becoming the ending portion in the given option, that is third option in the mirror image. So this may be my correct option. Now I will move to fourth option. In the fourth option, you can clearly see that this curve remains at the same place. The starting portion remains the starting portion in the fourth option. That's why this is also a wrong option. Now how many options you eliminated? Yes, you eliminated 3 options and there are only 4 options and we left with only one option, that is the third option. So you can directly take this as the right option. Okay friends, now I will move to problem number 72.